Hello, kids! Welcome to our fun learning time! Today, we will learn about feelings and emotions. Let's learn together and have fun! I feel proud. I feel thankful. I feel excited. I feel disappointed. I feel happy. I feel embarrassed. I feel relieved. I feel kind. I feel caring. I feel proud. I feel hopeful. I feel protective. I feel relaxed. I feel excited. I feel strong. I feel calm. I feel safe. I feel focused. I feel curious. I feel patient. I feel cheerful. I feel calm. I feel energetic. I feel hopeful. Fatingies. I feel thankful. I feel confident. I feel nervous. I feel silly. I feel curious. I feel hopeful. I feel grateful. I feel guilty. I feel thankful. I feel hopeless. I feel lazy. I feel confused. I feel angry. I feel sad. I feel excited. I feel scared. I feel shy. I feel proud. I feel confused. I feel tired. I feel brave. I feel lonely. I feel friendly. I feel worried. I feel love. I feel bored. I feel thankful. I feel curious. I feel confident. I feel surprised. I feel sleepy. I feel jealous. Great job, kids! You learned many feelings and emotions today. Like our video, subscribe for more fun learning, and see you next time. Bye-bye, kids! Hopped up!
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.